Hey guys, welcome to Techie Talks. In this video, I'm gonna show you an Excel shortcut using which you can, import the table data from a website in an aesthetic way. Okay, in a traditional way, what we do is we used to copy the content from here like this, and we paste it to the Excel sheet, and it'll look like this. This is not presentable, right? It is not aesthetic, and I want to make it aesthetic. And how can I do that? So if you use a shortcut and the data will be like this. See how it looks. It is aesthetic, right? So now I'll explain you how I've done this. Okay, just go to the website and copy the URL, and again go back to the Excel sheet. So here you have to use a shortcut Alt plus A plus F plus W. You'll be asked to enter the URL and paste the URL here. Click on OK. Another window will appear. So here it fetches the data from the website. Then all the table data will be displayed here, and we need to pick the required table, and then the content will be shown here. Like there'll be a preview for the data. So once you got the preview, then you have to load it to the Excel sheet. That's it. It's very simple. So these are all the data available on the website. And if you look at the website, so the table, I think this table is at the end of the page. Yes, so what you have to do is we need to choose the last table, and the data got loaded here, and you have to click on this load button. Now the data is getting fetched from the website. It'll take some time. See, we got the data from the website. And I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please do subscribe and support our channel. Thanks for watching.